Hi, I'm Bob, Education Evangelist for Domo. Quick Filters is a great feature of Domo that allows you to easily slice the data to better understand your business. In this video, I'll share a tip I use to make Quick Filters even better. The default settings for Quick Filters has all of the options checked. This means in order for me to filter this card to just healthcare, I need to uncheck Select All, then click Healthcare. Let me show you how to do this with half as many clicks. What I need to do is edit in Analyzer. Under Quick Filters, I uncheck Select All, and then Save and Close. Now all I need to do is click Healthcare, and with one click it will filter. I can also save the card with a specific filter in place so that it becomes the default. If I open it again in Analyzer, click Healthcare, and then Save and Close, now when I come to this card it will already be filtered to Healthcare. But I can still use the Quick Filters to change it back to All. And that's my tip for using Quick Filters. Do you have an I Solved It with Domo story you'd like to share? Click this video for instructions on how you can create and submit your own video. If we like it, we'll feature it on our Domo YouTube channel as well as our user community. Also, don't forget to click on this playlist so you can see all the I Solved It with Domo videos we have.